Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to delete an archived chat on the WhatsApp app for PC with the latest update. If you've been storing conversations in your archived section and now want to remove them completely, this guide has you covered from start to finish. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where all your chats appear. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu. This is where you can access different sections, and it's also where you'll find the option for archived chats. Click on Archived to open that section. Inside, you will see all the conversations you've previously moved out of your main chat list. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific chat you'd like to delete. Once you've found the chat, hover over it with your mouse, then right-click on it. A small menu will appear giving you several options for what you can do with that conversation. From this list, select Delete. When you click Delete, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm the action. This is the app's way of making sure you don't remove something by accident. Simply confirm your choice, and that particular archived chat will be permanently deleted from your account. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've cleaned up your archived chats on WhatsApp for PC. This can help you stay organized, free up space, or simply remove conversations you no longer need. If you've been wondering how to manage your archived section with the new update, now you know the exact process. It's straightforward, easy to follow, and only takes a minute. Keeping your chat list organized means you can focus on the conversations that truly matter to you.